Listen to part of a lecture in a history class.
Okay, class, let's get started. So, we've been discussing the Spanish explorers in the 15th and 16th centuries. As you know, the Spanish explorers with aspirations of conquest in the New World were known as conquistadores. One of the most famous was Hernán Cortés, best remembered for conquering the Aztec Empire and claiming Mexico for Spain. Having won numerous battles and been appointed to high political positions, Cortés had an impressive career as a conquistador before arriving in Mexico with his crew in 1519. He was able to gain valuable insights about the land from the residents and quickly impose control over the indigenous population in the region, as he founded the city of Veracruz. However, over the months, Cortés took matters into his own hands by taking over Veracruz. He disobeyed the orders of the governor of Cuba, in which he turned an exploratory mission into a military conquest. He sent a powerful message to his men by sinking all his ships, stating that there would be no retreat, but only conquest. On the way to the Aztec capital of Tenochtitlan, Cortés united with new allies, the Totonacs, who inhabited the coastal area in the city-state of Zempoala, and another native tribe, the Tlaxcalans. Though the Spaniards were vastly outnumbered by the Aztecs, this did not hold Cortés back from conquering Tenochtitlan in 1521. The advanced lethal weaponry the Spanish had, the cannon, steel swords, and crossbows, gave the Spaniards greater privilege, which was deemed to be no match for the Aztecs on the battlefield. To make matters worse, the outbreak of smallpox, introduced to Mexico by the Spanish, devastated the entire city, as the disease spread, decimating nearly half of Tenochtitlan's inhabitants. These factors all led to Cortés's victory, and the Spanish consolidated control over the Aztec Empire, to be New Spain.
Question 3. The professor described some of the events that occurred during the life of Hernán Cortés in the lecture. Put those events in the correct order. Drag each answer choice to the space where it belongs. One of the answer choices will not be used.